What's up, YouTube? I wanted to show you guys a little bit of what we got going on here today. Emergency job, kind of storm damage stuff, but check out this red oak. Co-dominant red oak, split at the base here, leading up to another red oak over here that is also a co-dominant, and it's in pretty bad shape too. You can see down inside here, maybe it's pretty hollow down in there, and it's actually putting a lot of stress on this stem because it's laying up in there. But what we're gonna do is actually, let me see if I can see. Yeah, we're actually gonna drop this stem, and then later on probably remove the rest of the tree. But just for today, get that down, and we'll see how it goes. It's gonna be a little chaotic, a lot of stuff hanging up there, but I think that's the safest option. Drop it from the ground there, trigger this one, and then the other half of this co-dominant, which the sun is blinding me, has kind of leaned over into this other oak tree. So we're gonna try to pull that out there too after that, but stay tuned. So what I have here is a co-dominant stem oak tree, red oak, leaning up against the other one. And what I want to do is release this tree off of its stump. Okay, I'm going to show you a technique to do that safely and efficiently. Sometimes guys have questions on how to do that. How do you get that off of there and not kill yourself? So let me show you. Tune in, check it out. So what happened there was it wanted to twist more than it wanted to come down. So normally when you plunge in like that and you cut down, it'll split and just fall down nicely. But it didn't want to that time, so it wasn't a great demonstration of that technique, but I had to nip off the top there and twist it off, but at least you got to see a little bit of it. Alright, so now the tree is off of its stump, and it's leaning in this other stem that we want to drop, which we have this guy line in. So now we shouldn't have any problems with it going with it. It's not going to rip this out of the ground or anything. So. Well, that took up some slack in the line there. Whoop, wrong way. So that took up some slack in the line. Let's go take a look at what we got here. So I left a massive hinge to hold on so it wouldn't get towards this pine. Tripped it in the back there. Did a little bit of splitting, but I didn't care. That laid down kind of straight across there. So I was hoping it'd go that way a little bit more, but it worked out well. But anyways, that's tree life, I guess, for you. Well, that was hairy. Well, check it out. That's what happens when it's already fallen out of the ground. It just uprooted. The back of these roots were all gone, pretty much. So it just decided to twist and pop off there, which I figured it probably would. That's why we had a heavy pull line on it. But anyways, that's it. They're all on the ground. Thanks for watching.